Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Amazon credit card account online. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in amazon.syf.com. Here, enter your user ID associated with your account and your valid password. And if you've forgotten your ID or password, then click on I forgot my user ID or password link. And if you do not have an account, then click on I want to register or apply link. After entering your details, click on the secure login button to proceed. And that is how you can log into Amazon credit card account online. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.